Rajesh Khanna and his wife had like massive age difference. Dimple Kapadia was married when she was 16 or something.
And he's only had one wife, Rajesh Khanna?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, one
And
wife
he was
and how many mistresses?
fully cheating left, right, and center.
For sure.
And there's only a 16-year-old gap between Twinkle and
Akshay.
Dimple Kapadia
16-year-old gap between Twinkle
And her mom.
and her mom. That means she had her when she was 16. Fuck yes. Yes, I was
Yeah,
right.
that is what that means.
Oh, shit.
Like, if I'm 30 and my daughter is 15,
I had
what I did.
Means what?
Yeah.
Back to back. मेरा ना नेगेटिव में आंसर आते थे पता ही है.
My daughter is 300 years old. I'm 50.
I am -2.
Hi guys, I'm Dhritika.
Hi, I'm Sanjana.
I'm Zia.
I'm Srishti.
And we are Besharam.
I am so psyched for today's episode.
Yeah.
Same.
I don't think anything gets me going as much as tea and drama does.
Yeah. As long as I'm not involved in it.
As long as I'm not involved.
Bring it in.
My life drama gets me going, but if it's someone else's, especially celebrities, famous people. Famous people.
Yeah.
But yeah, celebrity gossip always gets me going. If there's an if there's a reel. I gagged myself there.
Exactly.
If there's a carousel about some drama, I am swiping till the 20th slide.
And I'm reading it all.
Yeah.
It's
Yes.
even better because sometimes you're just going to stumble upon somebody and they will tell you.
Yeah.
Like in person.
Even
Yeah.
the comment sections. They spill way more than the fucking post, bro.
I have Bollywood tea from the time that, journal articles were made and it would come up in like newspapers and shit.
Mumbai Mirror. Bombay
Bombay
Times.
Times.
Bombay
Bombay
Times.
Bombay Times page 3 gossip I have.
Bro, you know what never clicks to me? The Bombay Times was only part of our childhood.
Yeah.
Like all over India, Bombay Times was not like that popular.
Because Bombay is not Bombay, na?
yeah, like in
Bombay
Delhi,
is Bombay.
there's Delhi Times.
Of course.
That's so weird.
I get it. I get that. That's like a realization that you have. I love it. Times of India is only in India.
New York में ही है New York Times भी.
But Meg, I have to do New York Times connections and all.
Same.
Like
Yeah,
that's
still
fun.
do.
I still do, bro. If I'm
Same.
down
You
in the
cheat.
pits, bro, I'll do all every day.
Oh yeah.
If I'm depressed. Yes. Sorry. Why does she react like this? Guys, let us know down in the comments if you want to continue for Dhritika to react the way that she does. I think for some reason I think it's adorable.
Yeah.
And I think she should continue. But anyway,
She should not.
you
I was saying that there are a lot of articles and journals I've read. And on top of that, I used to like fully eat up TikTok. Bollywood gossip. When TikTok was there, I would like fully eat that shit up.
Yeah.
And now also my reels is just filled with one NRI girl talking about Bollywood gossip. And she has like series in parts.
she's my Dhruv Rathi.
Bro, name drop her. People
Love,
need to follow
love.
her.
I don't remember her name. That's the thing.
Okay,
yeah.
we'll put it up.
We'll check it and put it up. But I love that woman, and I feel like she does it in such a tasteful way.
Yeah.
I really love listening to her videos, and I go back if I stumbled upon like part 26, then I go back.
You can't cheat like that. You need to follow the order.
Yeah,
You can't cheat.
Exactly. So the first reel of hers that I stumbled upon was her talking about Mahesh Bhatt.
That's Alia Bhatt's father,
Yes,
right?
yes. Alia Bhatt's father, Mahesh Bhatt. So allegedly, there was this huge controversy which had happened back in 2003. Was there was this
Arya.
yeah
Yeah.
there was this film magazine, there was a Star magazine cover on which Mahesh Bhatt and his daughter Pooja Bhatt were Pooja Bhatt was sitting on his lap, and mind you, she's like not a small child anymore. Like she's not 11 or 12 years old or like
Okay.
8 or 9
That's
years
his
old.
daughter?
She's like
Yeah. Alia Bhatt's sister.
She's like 23, 24 years old. She's sitting on his lap and they are kissing.
What?
Yeah. The picture still exists. It was on the cover of a magazine.
Making out?
Or
No, like a
peck. Like how a father...
on the lip? No, I
on
mean
the lip.
No,
On
hold
the
on.
lip.
Sometimes in some cultures it's okay.
It's okay.
Maitri is pulling up the picture for you guys.
Okay.
And
As a
the hand placements
Oh.
and the her sitting on his lap is
No, the
what-
case is still fine, right? Because like you said, cultures mein hota hai, like the father-daughter case, mother-son case like
But
that.
that is for like a toddler, guys, not for a 23-year-old woman with her dad. That is weird.
Yeah, that's not okay.
That's not-
And especially when you say there's hand
Hand
involved.
placement.
Oh my! Why have I never? Srishti is our source.
After that,
Srishti has the most. I'm sorry to cut you off. Srishti has the most wackiest Bollywood tea.
yes.
What? This reaction, guys, is genuine. It is.
You're lying. No, this can't be public information. Bro, I wonder how many perverts get off of this.
Nah, guys. Nah.
You're lying.
No.
Oh my god.
Oh my god,
That's too intimate. That
This-
is way too
This,
intimate.
this doesn't stop here, okay? At
Oh
this
my god, it
time-
doesn't, of course.
At this time, Pooja Bhatt was low-key at the peak of her career. And then after that, she disappears for like a good 2-3 years, is not seen on camera. And at the same time, around that same time, Alia Bhatt was born. So a lot of people, now this obviously, which is why it was a rumor for a very long time and people kept asking Alia Bhatt if she's the daughter of Mahesh Bhatt and Pooja Bhatt.
No. No. Okay, hold on. Can I ask also? Pooja Bhatt, different wife than Alia Bhatt?
Yeah,
Different wife.
different wife.
So he divorced one woman. Oh my
He
god.
divorced Pooja's mom.
Yeah,
Pooja's
he
mom.
divorced Pooja's mom and then he got married to Soni Razdan, Alia Bhatt's mom.
They're stepsisters?
Yeah.
And
I
Pooja
didn't
Bhatt
know
was
that.
in Big Boss, right? That Pooja
Yeah,
Bhatt.
that Pooja Bhatt.
That, oh my god.
So Shaheen and Alia are
Second wife ke bacche.
bacche.
Okay. Shaheen is younger than...
No, Shaheen is elder than
Older
Alia.
than Alia.
Oh, the one who was a little bit depressed.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I am disgusted right
There's
now.
rumor. But if you've seen Big Boss or if you've seen Pooja Bhatt, she does look similar to Alia Bhatt. Like, I see it. I see the
What?
But
resemblance.
again, these are like full allegations. No,
Like, these are rumors. Yeah.
Mahesh
Yeah.
Bhatt looks nothing like Alia or Pooja. I think.
I feel Alia does look a little bit like Mahesh Bhatt on terms of
I'm
his
thinking of Bonnie Kapoor. I'm sorry. Yeah, they do look similar. I'm
They
sorry.
do,
Yeah.
I feel like Alia and she low-key resembles Soni Razdan also, but
Yeah,
I don't
she
know.
does. She does.
I don't know. Again, this is like too big of a allegation to be made,
Scandal.
but yeah,
No,
that
I get it. Like, even if this is a rumor that she is the daughter of Mahesh
Pooja
and
and Mahesh.
Pooja, the picture is giving me the biggest
disgust.
ick and it's disgusting.
Yeah.
Even a peck is bad. This is more than a peck.
That's a full-blown
His-
make out.
His hand is on his daughter's waist.
And the other one's on the
On her
why
thigh.
is it? Why is it on a cover? First of all,
Yeah.
why is it done publicly? I have so many questions.
Udit
This is-
Narayan looks like an angel right now.
He's a saint. No.
No, because
still never.
in comparison.
He's doing with strangers. This is his
And he's
blood.
just doing a peck with no hands involved.
No, but still, it's
bad.
It's disgusting,
forcing
yes.
itself on women. It's I
Yeah.
wouldn't draw comparison to any of these things.
Fair.
Both are worse for me.
Fair.
You had randomly mentioned Bonnie Kapoor. I want to talk about Bonnie Kapoor also.
Please tell
Okay.
me.
Bonnie Kapoor and his wife Arjun Kapoor and Anshula Kapoor's mom, they were in a very very
troubled.
private trouble later. Trouble came later when Sridevi entered.
Yeah, of course.
They were in a low-key married life, never happy with these celebrities because they always want to wander and all of that shit.
Okay.
So Sridevi was never really interested at all in Bonnie Kapoor because have you
Look at
Have you
her.
seen Bonnie
Yes.
Kapoor?
Have you
And
looked at
have you seen Sridevi? Like in her prime?
Goddess.
Even not in her prime.
Not in a goddess.
Sridevi and Mithun were a thing.
Yes. Yes. That is so obvious.
God.
Yeah.
That is very obvious.
Sridevi and Mithun were a thing, and that was the same time Boni was trying to pursue Sridevi. While he was married, while he was married and had 2 kids,
Whoa!
2 full kids, bade अच्छे खासे. And then like he would go outside her house, wait for her. He would like try to get her into his house through the window and shit. Yeah.
Bro, as a
Through the
married
window?
man,
Yeah, but like
That's
he would try to
embarrassing.
sneak her in the house, and then he was just like behind her for the longest time. And there were a lot of fights between both of them because apparently Sridevi would hang out with Mithun and then Boni wouldn't like it, and then unka kuch to jhagda hota tha.
why did
Boni
he
was
care?
Not even
Boni was not interested.
Boni- he was.
Boni was. Sridevi was not interested in Boni.
yeah, but then she wanted to marry him.
He's a big director.
He was a big
He's a big director.
He
There
was
is
a
some
big producer.
producer. Oh, that's because
That's
he's
even
got
better.
the money.
Exactly.
He's got the
Yeah,
money.
yeah.
She had to do it. I think Sridevi was she Nepo?
No.
She had to struggle her way through. She did what she needed to.
Different
I feel like.
times.
Different times. Also.
And even the fact that Shri Devi and this one, Anil Kapoor, they had that Mr. India
Mr.
wala
India.
Gana. Do you guys remember?
Yes.
A very steamy song for that time.
Yes. Shweta
was
Sari.
also,
Yeah.
that was also produced by Boni Kapoor.
So Boni was jealous of Anil at some point. Do you think? Or maybe it was professional between them.
Yeah,
Probably.
maybe it was.
But you can never tell, right?
With
It's
these
never
people.
professional
Yeah.
with these people. It's
Yeah.
always a personal.
I'm telling you, you think
feud.
of like your college groups, like incestuous college groups.
Yeah.
Times that by 100. That's
Yeah.
Bollywood.
Exactly.
Everyone's been with everyone.
Yeah. And I think
you just
with,
never know.
with Bollywood, or for that matter, any celebrity, you just need to take everything with a pinch of salt. I don't believe either sides,
true.
either parties.
Yeah.
I feel like there's so much that we don't know.
Yeah.
And there's so much that's fabricated already that you're like, okay, fine, I'm going to take whatever there is at surface level.
At surface
Yeah.
level,
Yeah.
also it's very important to note everything that we say in this episode, like going forward, even what we've said, all alleged, bro. We were not
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
We're not there.
We
This is
weren't
what
there.
the internet has said, what the internet still
Yeah.
has on.
Yeah.
And we're just taking it from there and like,
You can frame your opinion.
Yeah, I know if I say this, I'm going to get so much hate, but I still am going to say it because this is not my opinion or this is not what I have seen.
Okay.
So do not fucking come for me.
Do not.
The thing is that Siddharth
Say it. Say it. I know it. Say it.
Siddharth Malhotra and Karan Johar
Yeah.
were in a relationship for the longest time,
And that's why he got Student of the Year
That
as a
is-
struggler.
which is why he got Student of the Year. They Siddharth and Varun were both ADing on sets of My Name is Khan.
Okay.
For
Really?
Yeah, with Karan Johar. And during that time, like Karan was like a mentee to Siddharth, and
Yeah.
then they were in a relationship. They were seeing each other and all of that. And then after that, he got Student of the Year. Later on, I think it kept on continuing, which is why. But then after a point when he got a little bit of recognition, and after Student of the Year, I think Siddharth did another movie with another director, and this one did not really like it. Karan Johar, he was not a fan of it, which is why he made Humpty Sharma with Varun and Alia. And later on, like very recently, now the recent tea has happened between Kiara, Siddharth, and Tara.
Okay.
So apparently,
Tara
Hold on,
Sutaria?
before you go on, that adds up. Tara Sutaria, yes.
Yeah.
Before you go on, it adds up because somebody as powerful as Karan Johar in the industry would not want his boy toy to be with somebody powerful. Yeah, right. So Kiara Advani, in comparison to these other very famous actresses such as Alia Bhatt, is low-key NPC.
yeah.
yes,
But so Siddharth gets to marry Kiara and still have Karan in his life.
But
is an assumption.
Kiara
This is what
also
it looks
comes
like.
from money.
She comes from money, but
in
in
comparison.
the industry, उसका
fair.
कितना
हाँ,
योगदान
कितना
है,
say है.
कितना say है.
Valid,
So
valid.
It makes sense why, because I've always wondered like why would Siddharth Malhotra go for Kiara
No,
Advani?
but-
Maybe they love each other, but
again,
maybe love.
गलती से.
No, but like Loki, सिद्धार्थ and Kiara का भी बहुत मतलब बड़ा ये हुआ
Tumultuous है
था.
क्या?
Yeah, I mean,
अच्छा.
Kiara is hated in the industry by all the other female actresses. She is not a very nice person to work with. She is very rude. I've actually heard this from a lot of flight attendants and people who organize events also. Like few of my friends, they have told me that she is the bitchiest person you will ever meet. Like she's just nice, not nice to people.
Okay.
So like whatever I've read, there was a point where Siddharth was like madly in love with Tara Sutaria. They had done a movie together which did not do that well.
Okay.
And during that time, Siddharth was like head over heels in love with Tara. And Tara was also low-key giving him a little bow. But she was in a relationship with Adar Jain at that time.
Okay.
Adar Jain is Ranbir Kapoor's cousin.
Okay.
And Adar Jain and Kiara were like friends through mutuals. So at some party or something, Kiara went and snitched on Tara, saying that, oh, your girlfriend is like not being loyal to you, this, that, and all of that. And then Adar had Tara to cut Siddharth off. After that, Kiara comes into the picture.
Yeah.
And then
Sweeps them off.
yeah. And there was another allegation saying that she had gotten pregnant with his child, Siddharth's child, which is why they got married that quickly.
Out of wedlock.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's interesting.
That's lovely to hear. I miss a cup of tea in my hand.
I know.
Because I am like laid back. I'm like, yes, speak. I'm sad.
I want popcorn is what I want.
Yes.
I literally, this is
I'm
better
sad.
than any movie that's been in the theaters for the past 2 years.
Because do you guys remember there was this controversy that had happened with Siddharth and this model where they were doing a ramp walk
Yeah.
where she was like fully touching him.
Yeah.
And then there was this another...
She was an Indian, no?
She was not.
Yeah.
She was not Indian.
Yeah.
And then there was this another movie that he had done recently, koi to, where he was like a officer only, like a military officer only.
Patriotic movie thi.
Patriotic movie thi.
Yeah.
That actress was also like an Indian actress. That actress was an Indian actress, but not that famous. और वो हर interviews में ये लोग जाते थे तो वो try करती थी उसका हाथ पकड़ने का
I
सिद्धार्थ
think
का.
I may have seen it.
ये सब हुआ है. And then during the promotions of Param Sundari, he was giving Janhvi was asking for his jackets and all of that.
उसने निकाल के दिया.
और उसने निकाल के दिया. And I'm thinking,
हाँ.
how is this always happening with him and his co-stars?
Siddharth
and his co-stars.
But you know what? I feel like it's that happens with a lot of co-stars, especially if they have done a movie together. They have to
part of their contract a lot of times
they have
to
to
do
have
the
that
press tour
chemistry,
like that.
and that's how they're PR trained, because that's how people will ship them and talk about them way past the movie is aired and it's running in theaters.
True.
That's why people also form opinions about a lot of people. Like, you know, pehle it was
Agree.
about Katrina
Yeah.
and Ranbir, then it became about Deepika and Ranbir, then it
Yeah.
became about Alia and Ranbir.
Uh-huh.
Whatever it is, people are talking. The ball is still rolling.
Yeah.
Even with Alia and Ranbir, if you see, people didn't have positive things to say about it when he said, you know, rub that off, or like take that off,
Wipe that
off. Or like,
Sanjana.
Rub that off.
hey. Okay.
Fully embarrassed myself right there.
Ranbir Kapoor ne chata.
No, Sanjana said she rubbed one too hard. I was just gonna go past that. Hello?
I said rub that off.
You said rubbed one too hard.
We're filming, babe.
Sorry.
We're filming.
Anyway.
Acha beta. No, but like, you get it, right? Whatever it is, the people are still talking about it.
Yeah.
The same thing happened with Prajakta and Rohit Saraf also, no?
Yeah.
My God.
Yes.
Even after she's married, she's engaged, whatever, blah, blah, blue, they're still shipping those two together, right?
Rohit Saraf, that guy, I've heard allegedly that he likes, like he's into men and not women. Is that
Okay.
true?
I
Could be. I don't know.
Could be.
That's the only thing that's keeping them apart. Like maybe it's just fans saying that want to ship them.
Yeah.
Maybe because they're very good friends. I've heard.
They are. They're very good friends.
Yeah.
That's also why people are like, something's happening. And then a lot of people, if you see,
Go on.
they're very, the masses are a little stupid.
Stupid,
Yeah.
unemployed. I have a question. Very. Prajakta says in one of these interviews that whenever they realized that they were going to be co-stars, Rohit calls her up one night and they talk for hours and hours on end. Like the first phone call they ever had, they talk for hours and hours on end while she is with Vrishank, her husband. Her now husband. They were like engaged or dating or whatever. If you were Vrishank, would you be okay with that? On set is one thing.
I beg to differ
Okay.
because when you are dating someone who's in an industry like the film industry, that's something you just sign up for.
Yeah.
It's difficult for someone who one of the partners is in the film industry, whereas the other is in an industry
Extremely
which is completely
private.
opposite.
Yeah.
So when two co-stars are dating and they are in the film industry, it's maybe easier than it is with just one person in the industry.
Yeah.
So probably I wouldn't.
See,
I would not, but I feel like if I've signed up for that, I just would
Have
force
to
myself.
accept it.
It's important to note that Prajakta, when she got with her husband initially, she was not even doing YouTube.
Yeah, they met through like they were working together or something.
Yeah.
That was probably a mutual understanding that they had.
I want to say that it takes massive level of security within yourself to date someone who's an actor or to get married to someone who's an actor, because it's just like
It comes with its
I
flaws.
wouldn't.
I wouldn't.
I would. I know.
And I feel like
I wouldn't do the industry.
same. Period.
I feel like it's too difficult for me to have so much of my life on the internet where it's being scrutinized by the masses at all points.
And
like,
to
at
be
all
honest,
times.
also I'm a little bhondu that way.
Yeah,
I am a little
I'm gullible.
bhondu. Yeah, very gullible. वो कुछ भी बोलेगा मैं हाँ बोल दूंगी, मुझे पता है.
Yeah.
So I don't want to get in that industry at all.
I'm just scared. I'm so gullible and I haven't even been in love. Imagine what will become of me.
Same, and I feel like we've gotten a taste of it. I'm not saying in any way, shape, or form that we are popular. However much of our lives are on the internet right now, sometimes at least initially, it used to get to us to the point where we were like, "Haan, bhai, maybe people are right, maybe we are bad." But now I think after posting for like 2.5 years, is when we've reached a point where we're like, okay, we know the difference between what people are saying and what we stand for.
Yeah.
And I think it's just tenfold harder with being in the industry like the film industry.
Yeah.
Okay, I also would like to defer to that, but still, again, I don't feel like any industry would be able to compare कि ये hard है, ये ज़्यादा hard है, ये ज़्यादा कम hard है, या whatever. Each industry has their own pros and cons.
There's two sides to a coin.
Yeah, and what I wanted to talk about was that even after being in such a space, people sometimes just want to have their private life still.
Exactly.
And uske beech mein, I'm gonna bring up one secret affair that I don't think so you guys would be aware about. They must be aware about. I don't think you guys would be aware about.
ये क्या कह रही है? हम दोस्त हैं.
No, but genuinely, I don't know anything.
मुझे यही बताती है सब भाई.
It's Dimple Kapadia and Sunny Deol.
Dimple Kapadia कौन है?
Akshay Kumar's wife.
That's
Khanna.
Twinkle Khanna.
Khanna. Who's Dimple Kapadia?
Akshay Kumar's wife's mom, Twinkle's mom.
I was close.
Rajesh Khanna's wife,
Rajesh Khanna's wife and
Sunny Deol.
is there not a huge age difference?
Rajesh Khanna and his wife had like massive age difference. She had Dimple Kapadia was married when she was 16 or something.
So now she's going for younger men.
No. Not 16. I think she was around 18 or 19. And
And he's only had one wife, Rajesh Khanna?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, one
And
wife
he
and
was
how many mistresses?
fully cheating left, right, and center.
For sure.
And there's only a 16-year-old gap between Twinkle and
Akshay.
Dimple Kapadia
16-year-old gap between Twinkle
And her mom.
and her mom. That means she had her when she was 16. Fuck yes. Yes, I was
Yeah,
right.
that is what that means.
Oh shit.
Like, if I'm 30 and my daughter is 15,
I had
that's what I did.
means what?
Yeah.
मेरा ना नेगेटिव में आंसर आते थे पता ही है
My daughter is 300 years old. I'm 50.
I am -2
I'm 300 meters old.
so yeah
मैथ आ जाता है ना तो हम सब cringe हो जाते हैं.
Yeah, sorry.
My weight is 40 years. बौखला गए चारों.
बंद करो
You were saying.
काटना पड़ेगा पागल.
ये पूरा काटना पड़ेगा
क्यों?
बस हंस रहे हैं हम लोग
हाँ तो उनको भी हंसने दे.
क्या उन्होंने क्या खराब किया?
वो पूछते रहते हंसना था क्या हम बता रहे हंसो.
हंसो प्लीज हंसो.
नहीं ये पूरा काटना पड़ेगा
इसको कौन पूछ रहा है?
हाँ चल डिम्पल कपाड़िया.
So, Dimple Kapadia and Sunny Deol were like multiple times spotted together. By the way, Sunny Deol की भी पूरी family है, उसकी wife है, उसका
इन सबकी पूरी फैमिली है. सबके पूरे
नहीं
बच्चे
नहीं
हैं
नहीं, भाई की नहीं है.
भाई बताएंगे.
भाई में
भाई का पार्ट 2 होएगा भाई मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है.
बाप रे भाई के ऊपर तो बहुत स्टोरीज है. फिर
केसेस भी है भाई के ऊपर. वो वाला पार्ट हम नहीं कवर कर रहा है.
मेरा फेवरेट है यार ऐसे.
अच्छा ठीक.
फिर like it was like an open secret in the industry about these two, and then it's like still your daughter is married, उसका पति भी cheat कर रहा है, ये खुद भी cheat. Do you guys remember that there was this talk show that Twinkle Khanna had?
Yeah.
In that she was
Recent
first of
one,
all
no?
fully pro cheating and all of that.
that was on my, yeah.
And after that
Khushi
also,
Kapoor now. The episode with
Janhvi Kapoor.
Sorry.
and in that episode, Janhvi Kapoor ko she was telling, I really like your dad. I want to hang out with your dad.
Oh,
Like, he's my crush. I want to be with him.
क्या
and
बात
all
कर
of
रही है,
that.
bro?
Yes. She was like fully talking about Bonnie Kapoor in a not very nice way.
She's talking about Boner Kapoor.
Sorry.
Bro,
I don't get the appeal about Bonnie.
Bonnie
Yeah, your
That's
husband.
sorry.
Your husband
It's
is
power
Akshay
and money.
True,
It's
but
power and
he's
money.
not even DILF.
he's not.
बट
He's
अक्षय कुमार उसने कितना पैसा कमाया है, कितना ज्यादा
इन लोगों
पैसा.
को जितना पैसा कितना पावर दो ना उतना कम
Yeah,
है
it's
bro.
like less.
आधा
उनको
उनके
नशा हो गया है
maintenance में ही
उससे.
निकल जाता है भाई.
पर उनका नशा हो गया है ना.
हाँ,
जितना
obviously.
पैसा कम दो उनको कम है.
कम लगता है.
और अक्षय कुमार इतना बड़ा प्ले बॉय था, इतना बड़ा. माई मॉम टेल्स दिस टू मी.
बोल.
Before he got married to Twinkle Khanna, like 3-4 days before that, people were still talking about him and Raveena. People,
No, fuck that, bro. It goes way back.
Yeah.
Akshay Kumar, his story goes way back, and I did not know this for the longest time.
Yeah.
When I was doing my fucking research, when I realized I liked him as an actor, okay?
Yeah, same.
I still
I
do.
don't respect him for
As an
his
individual.
opinions or whatever the fuck that he stands for, but as an actor, he's given insane amount
Yeah,
of good
yeah,
movies to
yeah.
Bollywood, and for us that we still watch.
True.
Yeah.
But
I
his
agree.
odds are also good. Now he did so many movies in itself that many of them are bound to hit.
No, but they were good.
They were good.
It's not like he threw Shadow the Dark and he's like चलेगा तो चलेगा. हम तो knew कि वो कर रहा है तो चलेगा ही.
नहीं वो बहुत बाद में आया. So there was this interview of Twinkle and this one only, Akshay only. It was Coffee with Karan only.
I know what
Yeah.
you're getting at. Yeah.
So in that interview, Twinkle had told him, if you don't make a good movie, he had given 10 flops in a line, and then she was like, I will not have a child with you if you're not giving a good movie.
She gave him an ultimatum.
Yeah.
When was this?
This was,
When was this?
I think the 10 movies जो उसके line में बहुत सारे flop हुए.
But they had kids ना back then. Oh no.
See,
उसके पहले कब बहुत पहले से
हाँ,
हुए.
उनका
He's been in the industry for like a really long time.
Akshay could come to the industry, just give us Houseful, go back, and I would still respect him.
Yeah, right.
Just as an
That's
actor.
all.
Just as an actor,
I
yeah.
think he's great. But then,
Yeah.
imagine you. This research when I was doing, I came to know Akshay was like, allegedly, again, this is not, nobody knows for what's true, what's not. But like Akshay was literally having like a affair with Rekha. With Rekha, bro, with fucking
Auntie?
Rekha, yes.
Rekha's unk.
Rekha's hot. No, 1 minute. 1 minute.
No, auntie, anta.
Rekha, in her prime, a diva, goddess, hot lady.
उसने खराब कर दिया अपना. रेखा ने अपना प्राइम बिगाड़ दिया. Being in love with his
वो नहीं है.
situationship.
Looks.
हाँ. Looks के हिसाब से हाँ ठीक है.
Beautiful woman. Gorgeous lady. मस्त एकदम. बढ़िया औरत.
Yeah.
With fucking Akshay Kumar.
You know, this is why
This is happening whilst Akshay Kumar is in a... 1 minute. This is literally happening when Akshay Kumar is dating Raveena Tandon. This is happening on the sets of the movie Khiladiyon Ke Khiladi.
He was also dating Shilpa Shetty at that time.
That was before he got married to Twinkle Khanna.
Yeah.
Shilpa Shetty was his last alleged affair before he got married and
Yeah.
before he was like, nobody else. But he was with a lot of people.
And everyone, I think the fact that you said that he was low-key dating Rekha, I think which is why Akshay Kumar and Ranveer Singh get along so well, because even Ranveer is apparently into elder women.
Ranveer Singh?
Ranveer Singh. Ranveer Singh
Interesting.
is like highly interested in elder women. I don't know if you guys had seen Fabulous Lives of Bollywood Wives over there.
I
Also.
did.
Yeah, I did.
Over
I
there
don't.
also.
I didn't see. Go on.
Over there also in one episode, Karan was like talking to these wives. So it was Seema Khan, Mahib Kapoor, this one's Shania Kapoor's mom,
Yeah.
Bhavna Pandey,
Ananya
Ananya's
Pandey's
mom,
mom, yeah.
and fuck, मैं चौथी का नाम भूल
Gauri
गई.
Khan.
नहीं.
गौरी खान तो
Gauri
कुछ
Khan
नहीं करती
wouldn't do
bro.
all
Gauri
this,
Khan
bro.
is Sant lady.
हाँ.
यार वो उसका नीलम.
Oh, right.
नीलम. So these four, उनको करण जौहर बोलता है कि who do you guys like from the industry?
हाँ.
And then they are like, oh, we like Ranveer Singh.
I remember this.
And they were like fully talking about him in a very
Sexualizing way?
Yeah, sexualizing way. And then there was this one episode where Karan had called all these four ladies to the Rocky and Rani sets, and they were showing. उनको दिखा रहे थे इसका रणवीर का बैक शॉट वो शावर शॉट
ये एपिसोड कहाँ जा रहा है मुझे बताइए.
so they were like fully making him look like that, and then
Yeah.
multiple times on multiple interviews Ranveer has said that he is into elder women. He had no, I think that was Varun Dhawan. He said उसने बोला था कि I was 12 when I felt it when Kareena Kapoor had gotten out of the pool.
Ow.
I'm assuming it's on Coffee with Karan.
Yeah,
Where else could it be?
Yeah.
miss it when Coffee with Karan was
I was
messy.
just about to say that.
Miss that shit. Now there's
I hate when people are so safe.
Yeah.
तुम्हारा पूरा
Yeah.
life online है भाई
Safe.
बता दे name
Speaking
drop
of
कर.
Safe, Safe was really good on Coffee with Karan. They don't get him on anymore.
They should. He knows he's good, right?
Yeah.
Bro, I love Safe.
Saif Ali Khan. Muhammad Saif Ali Khan.
No,
Yeah.
I feel like he is very non-problematic.
Non-problematic,
But
exactly.
again, he has done a lot of shitty things in the past.
The thing is that he comes from a very classy family.
But
That's why.
That doesn't justify you doing shitty
Shitty
things,
things.
regardless.
he.
What has he done though?
He had fully cheated on Amrita Arora. Not
Amrita Singh.
Arora, Amrita Singh, Sarah's mom.
Yeah.
When they had gotten married in like days.
Oh.
In like months or days, and it was like a huge thing because she was
She was
elder.
way older.
Yeah, she
Yeah.
was way older, and he
Kareena
had like
was there in attendance, which is crazy.
That's
As a kid.
Kareena was a kid,
Kareena was a child.
She attended the wedding.
Yeah,
Yeah, she was there.
and
That's insane.
during so they had gotten married, and apparently Amrita was really insecure when Saif was filming movies with
yeah.
Preeti Zinta.
Yeah.
That was a huge thing.
I mean, I would be
Because
too.
People were fully shipping Saif and Preeti.
Yeah.
At
Left, right, and center.
Yeah. At all occasions. And during that time only, he had gone out clubbing. He had a fight with Amrita. Mind you, Sarah is like a baby. Ibrahim is like a very young baby by this time, and Sarah was thoda sa
Older.
Older.
And he had gone clubbing, and tabhi he made out with this random chick, and then
Go on.
the next day Amrita found out, like people, reporters and everyone found out. Babs.
Ibrahim is also his and Amrita's. Sarah and
Ibrahim.
Oh, right.
Now they have two younger, Taimur and one other
Jay.
one. Jay. Walking.
मेरी बहन कल ही बोल आज सुबह ही हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे इसके बारे में while having breakfast. I'm like
and then-
यही बात करने वाले हैं.
And then he went home and she just kicked him out of the house.
So valid.
Which was on Independence Day.
Amrita,
She got her independence.
Amrita, I love, bro.
Love a baddie. Yes.
You've seen that video of hers where this interviewer is like, will you ever get married again? And then she's like, I'm not 16 or 17 years old where I'm going to give you a kiki answer. Like, I can get everything that a man can give me, besides a few things that
Without
I don't have
having
to be
it.
married for.
Yeah.
This is something that she said in the 90s.
Wow.
Yes.
No, she is a baddie.
She's
She is
genuine.
a
And she
baddie.
never
Is a
got
baddie.
married again
Yeah.
because she really can get that dick.
Yeah.
She can.
Yeah.
She's a
And
baddie.
she can get everything else she wants. Why
Yeah.
would she do that? Anyway.
She's fully a baddie.
She really is. You know what? All of this reminds me of like the real beef that used to happen back in the day. Like back when we were children.
Yeah.
Right? When there was just the Khans ruled the industry.
Yeah.
Yep.
Salman, Shah Rukh were
Amir.
beefing.
Amir,
Salman,
Saif.
Shah Rukh, Amir, Saif.
Saif.
Salman and Shah Rukh are beefing. They never attend. Like, there were times where I've heard that during award shows, Salman and Shah Rukh would not coexist in the same room.
Yes.
Like
Too
they,
powerful.
Yeah.
And I always used to wonder why. You know,
Yeah.
I've seen the Paps pictures of them getting out of a party where Katrina Kaif and Salman Khan
is in a car.
in the car, and Katrina Kaif is
like
so
this.
over it.
She's like-
she's so fucking. She's
I
an
love her.
unbothered queen.
I
love
fucking
Katrina.
love her.
I-
I'm gonna change my favorite actress to Katrina.
To Katrina
I never
Kaif.
had one.
Yeah.
Because I thought they were all pretentious bitches, but Katrina is a real one.
You know-
I fucking love her.
Yes.
As a kid, I used to hate Katrina because I used to find her so pretentious.
Yes!
But I have so much respect for her now.
I
Yeah.
love her.
To the point, I'm wearing a lipstick.
Yeah, love that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
I-
I'm gonna do it again.
I want us to circle back to the car thingy and the fight. that
No.
had happened.
Yeah, I want to talk
Yeah,
about that
yeah.
also. So this started off on the sets of Chalte Chalte. Okay, this movie with Rani Mukherjee and Shah
Shah
Rukh
Rukh
Khan.
Khan.
But initially, it was supposed to be Aishwarya Rai and Shah Rukh Khan. At this time, Salman Khan and Aishwarya Rai are
A
dating.
thing.
They're officially a thing, and of course, Aishwarya Rai is the prettiest woman in the world.
In the
She's-
world.
Miss
She's won
World.
all of these pageants, and you know she's
Gorgina.
hot shit.
She's got
Yeah.
She's hot shit right now. I have never seen a woman be hot shit like that and not have a spine.
Yes.
Aishwarya Rai, babe, please come here. Listen to me.
Sit down.
Please sit down. Why can't we stand up for ourselves?
Why can't we?
What's wrong?
What's
up?
stopping you?
What is stopping you?
Do
Like
you
you-
need validation?
We're right here.
Everything that Aishwarya Rai has done, she has done for herself.
And by herself.
And by herself. Being part of such a powerful family even today.
Yeah.
All the work that she does, it's not related to the Bachchans.
It's not.
Yeah.
She has a presence of her own, and
Yep.
I don't know, somebody, she needs good friends.
Yeah,
Aishwarya
I've
needs good
always
friends.
viewed her as a separate individual,
Yeah.
even though she's married
Yes,
to the
exactly.
biggest
Yes,
family.
yes.
I've always seen her as a whole
As a whole.
person in
Yeah.
herself.
Yeah. And I think that comes for Aishwarya Rai. If I may make a judgment here, it really does come from a place of hurt. Because she has been in toxic relationships, especially the one with Salman Khan, as
Yeah.
we know. And that can break a person. That
Yeah.
really can
Yeah.
fuck with a person's head
True.
crazy. Right?
And like considering what Salman has done with people that he's had beef with over the years, I can understand why she did not retaliate as much as she should have.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, like in this whole story, like my takeaway from this is that Salman Khan is the man-child. Salman Khan is such a
baby.
He's a baby.
Yeah.
He's a baby and he can't hold his own.
He can't.
Anyway, there's rumors that there's a steamy scene in Chalte Chalte,
yeah.
and he's obviously jealous of a 5-foot guy. Salman Khan is jealous of Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah.
Both are 5 feet.
They're both 5 feet.
They're both
what
5 feet.
is- really?
Salman is also very short.
I've never
he's a
seen
short
him.
king. He's like 5'6",
Both of them are
5'7".
like
I
really short.
can't make out.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah, we know.
Anyway,
But my question is, 1 minute. Salman was jealous of Shah Rukh because he was doing a steamy scene with
his
Rani
girlfriend.
Mukherjee.
Back then.
Tabhi it was
Aishwarya was on the movie. Salman Khan comes on set one day angry.
starts breaking stuff.
Starts breaking. Okay, breaking and all, I don't know.
Allegedly.
मैं नहीं थी वहाँ पर, मैं पैदा भी नहीं हुई थी शायद, या फिर मैं बहुत ज्यादा छोटी थी, मुझे अलाउड नहीं था वहाँ
तेरे में
जाना.
अक्ल नहीं थी.
Exactly. तो अपेरेंटली ये लोग गए साइड में, ऐश्वर्या और सलमान बात कर रहे हैं, एंड ही इज वेरी एंग्री एट ऐश्वर्या. नाउ हियर्स वेयर द रूमर कम्स इन
Yep.
that Aishwarya got physically assaulted by Salman Khan. Not we don't know. There's no
But
proof.
तुझे क्या लगता है, सच है कि झूठ?
हो सकता है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
ना हो सकता है, still a maybe, a yes or a no. What do you think?
I want to say no to be legally protected.
Okay, what do you think, Suresh?
I don't think so.
He didn't slap her?
I don't know.
Oh, okay, we're playing safe. I thought we were
Of
going
course
to
we're
get
playing
juicy.
safe, bro.
We have to be diplomatic.
I also don't know, bhai. I also don't
even
think
I
we will.
don't know. So,
Maybe.
देख
then-
मेरा तो फेवरेट एक्टर भी है.
Salman?
bro, भाई.
Does
किसी का
not
भाई
matter,
किसी
yaar.
का- Does not matter,
doesn't matter, yaar.
Does not matter, yaar.
Don't worry, it will be fine.
Salman Khan Twitter is my spirit animal.
और एक
No,
था,
so
और एक
true.
था.
बहुत है भाई.
Zinta's team won क्या?
That's so funny.
Oh my god. Anyway, so after he's done talking to Aishwarya Rai, he goes up to Shah Rukh Khan. पहले तो उसका हक नहीं बनता, उसकी कोई मूवी नहीं है यहाँ पे, वो किसी का बंदा बन के आया है कहीं से, लफंगा कहीं का, मेन लीड से बात कर रहा है. शाहरुख इज नाइस इनफ टू टॉक टू हिम. दैट्स आई थिंक पीपल आल्सो लाइक शाहरुख बिकॉज वो मतलब ढंग से बातें करता है लोगों से.
थोड़ा ज्यादा humble है.
ज्यादा
I
मुझे
hate Shah Rukh Khan.
फुल भाई प्रिटेंशियस
neither.
है.
I
शाहरुख
fucking
खान
hate
बहुत
him.
ज्यादा
I know.
pretentious
that.
है.
We will come to that.
We will come to that. ये शाहरुख से बात कर रहा है और शाहरुख को बोल रहा है कि ब्रो तू कसम खा, यू नो, यू स्वेयर ऑन गॉड, यू स्वेयर ऑन ऑल ऑफ दिस, के लाइक यू हैव नॉट डन एनीथिंग विद माय गर्लफ्रेंड. एंड शाहरुख इज लाइक हाँ ब्रो नहीं हुआ है. Mysteriously now, Aishwarya loses the film. We don't know what happened. There is no proof of what happened. Aishwarya is no longer on the film. Rani Mukherjee has been replaced. Rani Mukherjee is the replacement.
Yeah.
Now come few years later, they have broken up. Aishwarya Rai and Salman Khan have broken up, and Katrina Kaif and Salman Khan are now dating. They go to this Bollywood party, and Salman.
No, it was Katrina's birthday party.
Yeah. Which makes it so much worse.
So much worse.
Which makes it so much. My boyfriend is at my party. It's at my birthday party creating this scene.
Exactly.
All right? I'm Katrina Kaif, and my boyfriend is doing this. He goes up. He's first of all pissed drunk. He cannot take care of himself. First of all, Salman, listen, bro, here, come here. You can't handle alcohol. Don't drink.
Don't drink.
Yeah,
Real.
Bro, don't drink.
Real.
Right? Anyway,
We've seen on multiple occasions.
exactly.
We'll see one later also.
He confronts Shah Rukh at this point, and he says he calls him a few slurs that I will not
Yeah, of course.
say again, but very transphobic, homophobic slurs. And then he says, when Shah Rukh Khan's like, हाँ भाई मैं हूँ, हाँ मैं हूँ, कोई बात नहीं, you are very drunk, अभी मत बात कर मेरे से, मत बात कर. Then he says, in Hindi, he says, you're impotent.
Oh.
He says that Shah Rukh Khan loses
Loses
it,
it.
which like says a lot about Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah,
And his
bro.
legs. Yep.
Yeah, ये सब बोलने पे तूने कुछ नहीं
कुछ नहीं
बोला, और
बोला.
Exactly,
ये बोलने पे तू
exactly.
ये
भड़क
कर रहा
गया.
है, तू भड़क रहा है. ठीक है,
But
ठीक है,
valid
ठीक
भी है ना भाई, अगर इतना जाने दिया तो एक इंसान का भी तो सब्र होता है ना कि कब
Threshold
तक
भी
सुनेगा
होता
भाई.
है.
Threshold भी
कब
होता
तक
है.
सुनेगा.
Shah Rukh Khan gets Shah Rukh Khan says he calls him impotent. Shah Rukh Khan is like जा अपनी ex से पूछ करा.
और फिर पड़ा है शाहरुख खान को चाटा.
दोनों का भिड़ गए दोनों.
Oh
Katrina
भाई.
Kaif, my spirit animal,
Yeah.
has to leave her own birthday party. That's where we see all of those paps pictures
Yeah.
with
Oh
Salman
my
Khan
God.
wearing a fuck-ass fit, by the way.
At his girlfriend.
At his girlfriend's birthday party. Salman, you
His girlfriend is Katrina fucking Kaif, bro.
His girlfriend is Katrina Kaif.
Oh
तो
my
जितना भी dress up करेगा, you're not gonna be as good as her, but dress up, please.
So fucking.
you know what I
and
realized?
There were in those photos also. It's like Katrina is sitting like this in the car and he's yelling and all of that.
Yeah.
And शाहरुख के मुंह पे ऐसा लाल हाथ दिख रहा था.
And you can see on Salman's face is how drunk he is.
Yeah.
You can tell he's like, his eyes are droopy and shit. You
Yeah.
can tell he's based man drunk.
शाहरुख भी कुछ दूध का धुला हुआ नहीं
I
है.
know, बहुत ज़्यादा fake है.
You know what?
हाँ बोल.
Coming to Shah Rukh Khan, I have, as a kid, I've never liked that man.
Same.
With people around me fanboying over that
Yes.
man.
Yeah.
Being like, oh my
Fanboying only. Huh? I've never met a
Never-
Shah Rukh fan girl. Have you ever met a Shah Rukh fan girl?
Yeah, bro.
What? Who?
So many women
Like your mom?
love. My mom hates him.
Okay.
Same. I love auntie.
Even my mom hates him.
But a lot of women have loved Shah Rukh Khan because of
Yeah.
his fuck ass. His famous pose.
Okay, but do you know any
Eh,
Shah Rukh fan girl
Kiran?
now today?
No. But like growing
I
up,
do know
did.
100 Shah Rukh fanboys.
Have you not seen
Yeah.
those videos from
Men-
his birthday जब मन्नत के वहाँ पर वो
I know.
आधी औरतें खड़ी
Yeah,
औरतें
I
खड़ी
know.
होती हैं.
It's like probably not our generation, but like a little older women
Nahin,
like
but
were
yeah.
crazy about
Yeah.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Got it.
And the fact that even today people stand out of Mannat and are crazy like about him and wanting to
Yeah,
meet him
the-
and catch a glimpse of him.
The Burj Khalifa situation also happened on his
Exactly.
birthday.
Yeah.
That's insane.
So
that's
he
that's
clearly
global.
has like an international
He still does have pull,
fan
bro.
base.
Yeah.
100%. My only problem with him is that he has painted such a family man picture for himself to the point where like generations are like crazy about him.
Yeah.
And then when an allegation about him and Priyanka comes up, surfaces.
Can we hold off on that? I do want to add a little bit more on the Salman Shah Rukh beef
Okay,
before we
okay.
get to Priyanka
Go
because
on.
I think that's so interesting and I want to be sat and hear
Okay.
it. Okay. So Salman and Shah Rukh start off this beef after this
Party.
incident has happened and they physically assaulted each other at this party. And then the beef starts. They don't make
Yeah.
eye contact. They're not in the same room ever. And it's the big thing in Bollywood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one thing happens now where Will Smith comes to India for the first time.
Okay.
Salman Khan throws a party for Will Smith in Galaxy. Galaxy is where Salman
He
Khan
lives.
lives and Mannat is where
Shah Rukh
Khan lives. This place, if you guys are not from Bombay, you guys have never been to Bandra, this is not, it's maybe
Pretty
like a
close.
10-minute...
Yeah.
10
Away
minutes-
from each other.
10 minutes away from each
Not
other.
so far away, basically.
It's not so far away. They are basically neighbors.
Yeah.
But so there's a party going on in Galaxy for Will Smith, and Will Smith is there. Salman has thrown this party. Shah Rukh has also thrown a party at Mannat. He realizes that Will Smith is at Galaxy. He goes to Galaxy, tells Will Smith, "Tu aa." Will Smith goes with Shah Rukh Khan. There's a jhund of people behind Will Smith. They're going to Mannat. Salman gets to know. He takes his bike out. He goes to Mannat. And he goes to Mannat and tells Will Smith, "Tu chal." Will Smith goes. Will Smith ka jhund goes. This happened multiple. No, this happened multiple times.
This is giving
that
Bharat
night.
feel.
Will Smith क्या सोच रहा होगा भाई?
Guys, do you all remember that clip of Salman Khan on his bike going and all paps are like taking pictures? Is that moment? Can we pull up that clip if you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, but I don't think so.
Kidding. But
Bro,
does
that's
not matter,
crazy.
yaar.
It does not matter यार.
ये सच में हुआ?
ये सच में हुआ था bro.
तू जा नहीं क्या तू जा चल
तू
जा।
चल.
तू जा.
I wonder
They
उनके
are
दिमाग
man
में-
childs.
Ah, yeah.
They
Man
are
children.
Man
children.
Chal.
But ये क्या Will Smith क्या सोच रहा होगा bro?
वो हाउसफुल में भी एक सीन है ना, वो लोग बस झुंड में वो जग्गा डाकू के पीछे घूमते रहते हैं.
झुंड बना के चलो
सांकली खेल रहे हैं.
But yeah, man, what will Will Smith think about this?
I'm thinking he's like, भाई क्या पुल है मेरा? ये तो 2 पार्टी में बुला रहे मेरे को, मैं तो दोनों में जाऊंगा.
Will Smith is damn submissive, huh?
He is, no? I mean,
Clearly.
he is.
Clearly.
पर
वो बेचारा सोच रहा होगा कि यहाँ पिटू या वहाँ पिटू.
मैं घर चले जाता हूँ.
मैं घर चले जाता हूँ. वो एयरपोर्ट पे रुका है.
जेड़ा बुला रही है मुझे.
शिव सागर में पाव भाजी खा रहा है.
छोड़ो यार. डॉक्टर पनीर पे concentrate करो.
Does not matter, यार.
Oh my god, this is really happening.
This has happened.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this is crazy. Like this. How is this?
This
how
is a movie.
real life.
This is a movie, Nadia.
And who did he ended up? Whose house did he ended up?
Bro,
end up
he
having
did
the party
back
at?
and forth the whole night. Yes.
Shut
No
up.
way.
And the whole crowd was going here and there.
Bro, imagine the number of rickshaws they took.
They probably had cars.
Only,
Sanjana.
only Will Smith had a car. Mumbai experience चाहिए कि नहीं?
I feel like
Him and I.
in a rickshaw in India. No, that's gonna happen with the Kardashians and Sara Ali and Janvi.
no,
I don't think they have that much pull.
not Sarah doesn't have any pull, bro. I think it will happen if with Radak.
जानवी दाल
No,
चावल
no, no.
खिलाएगी उनको.
It will happen.
Bichu.
दही नहीं लाया.
तड़के वाला.
Yeah, sorry, what?
It will happen in the Ambani house only. Isha and Radak ki.
ऊपर नीचे.
नहीं भाई.
ऊपर वाले फ्लोर पे हम नीचे वाले फ्लोर पे.
I don't think they'll throw a cordial party
No,
together.
actually, if you go to
Yeah.
see, it'll take 10 minutes to go up and down. So same distance.
Arey, but they live in different houses.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Does not matter, yeah. See, it's a bigger picture.
There's a sticker of Sanjana going like that, and it says
it's no longer funny.
it is going to be pasted here.
Oh yeah.
I'll send it to you, Maitri.
Now talking about Shah Rukh Khan and his.
Yes.
Priyanka.
Sanjana,
I
take
want
it
to know.
forward.
Yeah, ever since I was a kid, I never bought into the whole fangirl thingy
Yeah.
about Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah, same.
When everyone was crazy about him. And that just made me realize about the whole debacle that happened between him and Priyanka Chopra.
Yeah.
And how Gauri Khan, I get it. Like, you know, I'm on Gauri's side about this because yes, it's your husband. And yeah, of course, he's a man. He's not
Yes,
going to have
that's
any
her ex.
consequences.
That's his ex.
Fair. But you as a married man having 2 kids and then this surfaces. And then I am all for Gauri Khan and like, you know, defending her husband and
Yeah.
defending this entire thing. But when I was researching about this, I realized that in the process of Priyanka's being ostracized from the Bollywood industry and then moving to Hollywood, of course. I know a lot of y'all love Karan Johar.
I don't.
You don't?
No, I've never.
I know Shrishti does.
I like
Karan Johar.
I
And
like
he's fine.
problematic people.
I know that. And I get that, you know, his show Coffee with Karan is meant to be a platform where all of this surfaces.
Yeah.
Where all of this, whatever's being talked about behind on the back end comes to
Comes up.
surface.
Yeah.
And that's still happening today, even though it's probably not at the same level
Level.
that it used to happen back in the day. But I don't know, I've never gotten good vibes from Karan Johar. He's always been the person who will like, you know,
Stir things up.
Start things up and then it
Move
will
aside.
blow out of
Yeah.
proportion.
And he's out of the scene.
out of it.
Very
He's
conveniently.
always
He's
safe.
too influential.
Yes.
That's
Yeah.
the thing.
He's too correct. That's also that's
After
another
this,
thing.
I want to talk about Karan also. I have some
do
things.
it. And with all the influential wives in Bollywood,
Yeah.
Gauri Khan was of course part of it. Of
Yeah.
course. She, along with the others, and Karan Johar had a huge part to play in ostracizing
Yes.
Priyanka Chopra.
Yes.
Yeah.
And again, as a kid, I did not know much about Priyanka Chopra. I was like, okay, she's whoever she is.
Yeah.
But then once she came into Hollywood, is when she had like her
Glow up.
glow up, her reinvention, even with Bombshell.
Yeah.
Have you guys heard songs from from that album?
I'm feeling so exotic.
मैंने देखा तुझे तो मैंने ये जान लिया. Yeah.
परदेसी
This was
आंखों ने
big
इस देसी
in
दिल को
school.
मान
It
लिया
was
है.
Sanjana. You know, Baskin Robbins opposite our school had tender coconut ice cream ka poster outside of it with Priyanka Chopra on it. Yeah, Tell me you remember this.
Yes, of course. I fucking
Yeah.
love Priyanka Chopra.
Yeah, we used to see this outside of school, bro.
Bro, I don't know why.
You didn't know of this song? Yeah, I sang it.
Yeah.
I sang it.
You
Yes.
never watch MTV, that's why.
Yeah.
Not as much. And I
Yeah.
okay, I'm gonna get a lot of hate for this, but
Please
I
tell me.
recently found out about Bombshell.
What?
It's
Yeah.
okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
I wasn't like
It's
I
only you
didn't know.
didn't have a childhood, that's all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Alright.
And then so talking about this entire situation with Priyanka and Gauri, apparently Gauri did not want to take such a big step by ostracizing Priyanka so early. She was like, ये तो चलता रहता है industry में, and she was turning a side eye to it because उससे पहले भी there were like multiple link ups with him and Kajol.
Yeah.
And it would happen. So she was
Yeah.
low-key accustomed to it. But with
Sad.
Priyanka, she took such a big step because Priyanka's father had just passed away.
Yeah.
And during that time, it was Priyanka's father's last wish or something for Shah Rukh and Priyanka to get married.
Oh.
And Shah Rukh was fully ready to leave his family.
क्या
go to
बात कर रही है?
Yes.
What? ये कब था? Right
This
before she left for Hollywood.
Yes.
क्या बोल
And-
रही है, bro?
This is why Gauri went to Karan and she was like, we have to fucking stop this. Or else she would have never taken such a big action against Priyanka going to Hollywood.
But
Yeah, because
what-
from
why
whatever
would-
I've seen or heard about Gauri, she doesn't seem like a person who's like so vindictive.
But that's what, right? It just makes me feel like she's also one of the.
She is.
But she
What's
only
it
did it
called?
when it was very
It was very
required.
personal to
required.
her.
Very
Fair.
personal
Otherwise,
to her.
she didn't
Very
bat an eye to
not
it. Right?
problematic.
But I have a
Exactly.
question.
Because
What
she
reason?
was like,
हाँ, बोल.
अभी अगर मेरा पति मुझे छोड़ के गया तो
मैं क्या करूंगी?
मेरे पास कुछ है ही नहीं.
Correct.
Exactly.
I get that. But my question is, what made Shah Rukh Khan so easily convinced?
Because he was in love with Priyanka.
But he was already married, right?
Yeah,
But he was in love.
come on.
Bro.
I know weird
The
people.
industry.
Very
Weird
weird people.
industry, weird
You have
industry.
to go
But,
into it knowing that these people are not okay in the head.
Yeah.
For him to still get so much respect.
That's what pisses me off.
Yeah.
That's literally what pisses
Because
me
he's
off.
performative as fuck. Okay?
Yeah.
Like men eat that shit up.
They love it. They're like, see how he's keeping his cool.
Exactly.
Yeah.
See, he's in love with someone else, but he's still maintaining a family.
See how he's offering the hand to his lead actress.
He's such a gentleman.
Yeah.
Can't do.
Fuck you.
Then
I have a question. Why would Karan Johar take Gauri's suggestion so?
Because Gauri and Karan are like best friends.
Really?
They were. And because Gauri was the only one during the time when Karan's first film that he directed was Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. And Gauri was the only one when he had approached Shah Rukh. Even Shah Rukh Loki did not trust Karan's vision.
director
And
chops, yeah.
Gauri was the one who trusted his vision and she was like, I think you can do something big.
yeah.
And
I
since
can't
then,
imagine
and I
Kuch Kuch
also
Hota Hai without
feel-
Shah Rukh.
I also feel why Karan agreed to it. It's a theory. I just thought of it. I also feel because Karan had a lot of people that he had to launch. And Priyanka was not one of those people who had to launch.
Oh.
So he thought of
She was
Priyanka
a
as
little
a
later
threat.
generation as compared to like if you look at the people from like Shah Rukh's age,
yeah.
Priyanka would be a little in
A
the
little
next
later.
batch.
Yeah.
Next
Yeah.
batch.
And I'm assuming, I don't know
Yeah.
what's true and what's not, but like I feel he had a certain number of people in mind that he had to launch across movies and make his mark as
Correct.
Dharma.
Have you
And
seen
Priyanka being the woman that she is, I don't think she would be okay with working with Dharma.
That
Has
too.
she?
Yeah,
that's
she
what-
has multiple
She's worked with
times.
Dharma,
She
but
has?
Multiple
she has
times.
always said this, or I think I remember once she said this in a tribute to Yash Raj. It's going to be very sad to never be a lead in a Yash Raj film. She never got that.
And another reason you asked about why Karan listened to Gauri is because I feel even though all of these husbands are very on-screen influential, the wives are like the underdogs.
Yes, fully. They
behind
control.
They control every decision. If you see even for Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, she's the one who ended up talking to Karan and getting Shah Rukh
on board.
convinced. So I feel
So
without these wives, nothing would run.
That was also one of the reason, and I think Priyanka और इसका भी issue हुआ था अक्षय कुमार का. Priyanka
there were
and-
also rumors that
there
they
were
would
also
to-
rumors
yeah.
that Priyanka and Akshay Kumar.
So Priyanka
were
was
a thing.
cheating, and so was Akshay. but Priyanka,
No.
Priyanka was not
Priyanka
cheating.
was not with anyone.
She
Shah
was
Rukh Khan.
single. नहीं तब शाहरुख खान
Breakup के
वाला
बाद.
शाहरुख खान वाला was later. Before that, it
Okay.
was अक्षय कुमार.
Akshay Kumar.
मुझसे प्यार करोगी.
मुझसे दोस्ती
ऐतराज-
करूंगी हाँ
ऐतराज
Okay, yeah,
and
yeah,
all.
yeah.
मुझसे शादी करोगी.
दोस्ती में भी तो
दोस्ती में सलमान खान. तो मुझसे शादी करोगी में था and then ऐतराज में था and then everyone noticed their chemistry was damn nice, Akshay and Priyanka, but then everyone suddenly noticed that they're not doing movies anymore because Twinkle apparently was like no,
Priyanka se dur raha hai.
you
saw
guys
what
will
happened.
not do a movie.
Yeah.
And then it happened with Shah Rukh Khan also, which is why again I think Karan with all the Bollywood vibes was like isko bahar nikal.
Yeah, and it's so ironic for Twinkle to say to like protect her husband or protect her marriage, and then for her to come on now
yeah
And say the things.
exactly.
and say the things that she's saying and defending cheating or like
Forget
pro cheating.
defending is another thing.
She's
you
pro-cheating.
wishing that
Pro-cheating,
somebody
yeah.
on your junior colleague in a way that's
Yeah.
disgusting.
Because that
being
woman
a woman
Yeah.
saying that to another woman,
Yeah.
disgusting.
Because Janvi obviously looks up to these women, right?
Right.
They've been
She's
here for
gone
so
around
much-
these people.
And in a way, it just feels like, they are putting on to the younger actresses or like
They're not
the
breaking the
newcomers.
chain.
Yeah.
If they don't want to break that, they were like, oh, I went through it.
You
It's
also
a
go
rite
through
of
it.
passage
Yeah, yeah.
for all the people in this industry to go through what we went through because times back then have to continue.
Yeah.
Continue.
Circling back to the fact that you were talking about
Shah Rukh Khan.
in that interview, I exactly know what you're talking about.
And
Katrina
this
Kaif.
is where I think after watching that interview is where my respect for Katrina just went right off the charts. Because for those of you who don't know the clip that we're referring to, it's this interview between Shah Rukh Khan and Katrina Kaif and someone... one of the
Promotions of Jab Tak Hai Jaan.
Yes. And someone asked them what was the experience like working with each other and what kind of actor or co-actors were they to each other. And Shah Rukh Khan described Katrina's acting or like Katrina as she was gentle. She was very gentle. And Katrina took so much offense to it because she was like, what do you mean you're describing my acting as gentle?
That's not the right adjective at all.
That's like when somebody describes me as bubbly. I hate that.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you're extroverted. There are layers to me.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And you've made a whole film with me, and for you to just give me gentle as an adjective.
That was not the only part. Shah Rukh had his first on-screen kiss on Jab Tak Hai Jaan, on the sets of Jab Tak Hai Jaan. And then in one interview, he said that Katrina must feel very lucky that she...
Shah Rukh said that?
Yeah.
Shah Rukh.
She got to kiss
Gentleman.
me. She got to kiss me and all of that. And then Katrina was like, I feel you are the one who should feel extremely lucky too, Shah Rukh.
Yeah, because I've had a lot of kisses on screen. You haven't. I'm your first. You're privileged.
That's
I'm
some-
not. You're just like any other actor
Also,
for
like,
me.
I'm Katrina fucking Kaif.
Exactly. Oh
Exactly.
I love that woman. She has taken a stand for her every single
Because
day.
Yeah.
With Salman, with Shah Rukh Khan again, when it was her time to when it was her chance to say it back, she was like, my experience with him was good.
Yeah.
It was good.
Queen.
Queen.
Do you guys remember?
This was Jab Tak Hai Jaan?
Yeah.
It makes total sense why Anushka Sharma chose the life that she chose.
Yeah.
Another actress I fucking love.
Yeah.
And they're friends.
Insane.
And
they're
they're friends.
Speaks they're
volumes.
very good friends.
They're very good friends.
She came at the right time, did her part,
Left. And now she's in a happy... They don't live in India, right?
They live in London.
They live in London.
Mayfair.
Yeah. Wow. Love that. In another interview for with I don't remember which movie this was for, but Katrina Kaif was describing Ranbir Kapoor.
Oh, Jagga Jasoos.
They had she gets it.
She knows it all.
Tell me what happened.
They had broken up
Okay.
at that time.
Yeah.
And things were so
bad.
messy.
Yes.
Who and who?
Ranbir and Katrina.
Because cheating.
Cheating.
Ranbir is cheater.
Ranbir is cheater.
I know. Yeah.
And there's during this one interview, Katrina goes like, whatever Ranbir says is
It's
the
right.
gospel truth, and the
gospel
truth only.
You never crossed Ranbir.
एक मिनट
Oh, sorry.
whatever whatever Ranveer says is the gospel truth and truth only, and you can never question him. Whatever he says is the only right thing.
You don't waste your time arguing with him.
Ranveer, am I right? Am I right? Am I right or am I wrong? No. Oh, okay, Ranveer says I should stop talking, so I'm gonna stop talking.
Stop talking. Dude, it's so sad because Katrina has not only been with Ranbir but also Salman.
Yeah, that does not seem right.
I'm so glad she married who she married. Vicky
Yeah.
Kaushal is amazed, I
Yeah.
think.
Yeah.
And you-
But the other day, Vicky Kaushal had also made like a wife joke, and I did not
Yes.
like it.
oh my god,
Yes,
what?
yes.
Lesser of whatever evils, bro.
Yeah.
What did he say?
What did he say?
He was like, वो बस बोलती है मैं सुनता हूँ, ऐसा something like that, and then
Oh, can we retire the I hate my wife jokes? You don't
we,
hate your wife.
please?
Your wife is.
If my man is saying that, instant cut off. Fuck off. Have your life. Enjoy it. I won't speak. Live your
No,
lonely
but did
life.
he mean it in like a, oh, she's a yapper, I'm a listener?
No.
Or did she mean like, oh, बात ही करती रहती है?
Yeah.
yeah.
बात करती हूँ मैं सुनता हूँ bro. मैं
बात
बस
करती हूँ मैं सुनता हूँ का मतलब तो क्या है? मतलब वो बकबक कर रही है, मैं अपना काम कर रहा हूँ, मैं ध्यान नहीं दे रहा. Type.
Yeah.
And I want to talk about Karan. So, talking about Karan Johar and Kajol, bestest friend, okay?
Yeah.
Like, they have been so tight. And there was this time where Kajol and Karan had a very big fight.
Okay.
And that fight was because of Ajay Devgan. So, during the time Ae Dil Hai Mushkil and Shivai. So, Shivai का release date पहले ही अजय देवगन ने lock करके
I've
रखा
never
था.
heard of this movie.
Same.
Shivai.
Yeah, Karan
It's a very
Johar-
young movie.
Karan Johar made that movie Tank at the box office.
He
Made it? Yeah, by launching it on the same day. He could have done it 1 week.
But
bef-
भाई मूवी भी
He-
ठीक ही थी, कोई खास नहीं थी.
whatever, but Ajay Devgan took it personally because of Kajol had told him कि he is planning to launch this movie on this date. और फिर जाके तुम वही दिन पे अपनी मूवी इतनी ज़्यादा मार्केटिंग करके लॉन्च कर रहे हो.
Obviously.
But why did he do it?
What?
Why? Like,
Karan.
what was the beef? Like, what was the fight?
यही कि मतलब उसने
Date उसकी है ना?
डेट क्लैश किया ना.
But करण ने क्यों किया ऐसा?
हाँ,
जानबूझ के किया.
But this has happened to Ajay Devgan a lot.
जानबूझ के किया क्योंकि उसको पता था कि अगर मैं इंडिविजुअली अपनी मूवी डालूंगा तो थोड़े कम प्रोबेबिलिटी है लोगों की जाने की. अगर मैं लोगों को ऑप्शन में मेरी मूवी बेटर दिखाऊं तो ज्यादा प्रोबेबिलिटी है लोगों की मेरी मूवी में आने की.
See, I get, this is all politics. You need to do things to get yourself on the one-upper.
Yeah.
But this is what I don't like.
Yeah.
This is what I don't like.
That happened with Ajay Devgan and Jab Tak Hai Jaan also, na? With some other movie that the
Ajay
Son of
and-
Sardar.
Yeah.
Son of Sardar was-
Could be. I'm not sure.
Sardar had Ajay Devgan, but I don't remember.
But it clashed with Jab Tak Hai Jaan.
Oh, I
if I'm
don't-
not wrong. That was Yash Raj.
Yeah.
That was the last Yash Raj film ever. So we all knew that was going to be.
No, Jab
Yeah.
Tak Hai Jaan was the last Yash Raj movie directed by Yash Raj.
Huh, that's what I mean. Yash Raj.
Yash Raj Films is a different production house also.
house obviously has more, but Yash Raj passed away after
Jab Tak Hai
after
Jaan.
Jab Tak Hai Jaan.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I also wanted to talk about very recent cheating scandal also. Like,
Okay.
ये तो
recent.
मतलब सबको पता. Recent मतलब हो गए अभी 3-4 साल हो गए.
कौन है?
पर
Deepika.
सबको पता होगा. So okay, I'm gonna say it. I want you guys to guess who it is.
Okay.
So this movie actor, he has been dating this another very well-to-do movie actress, and they've been in the talks for 2-3 years now. Now he gets a random movie on his plate, this actor, a male actor, and while on the sets of this movie, he has become extremely close with his co-star, like extremely close.
Okay.
And as the movie is coming to an end and everything, this actor now has second thoughts of marrying the one that he was dating for a very long time.
Okay.
And then
Not
there
the
was,
affair. Not the co-actor, but the girlfriend.
but the girl.
initial.
Okay.
First.
And now this actress gets pissed off and she's like super irritated. And then she like throws a tantrum and everything. and they still get married. Which couple is this?
Alia Ranbir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alia Ranbir.
Yeah.
That's very evident.
That's
but
very evident.
that
But who is-
sounds like Ranbir, honestly.
Sounds like
Sounds
Ranbir.
like
period.
Ranbir.
Yeah.
So शादी
Who
के
was
time का शादी का टाइम का मेरे को नहीं पता पर शादी के बाद में भी ऐसा ही सिमिलर सीन हुआ था
Okay.
वेरी सिमिलर सीन एंड दैट वाज श्रद्धा कपूर which is why तू झूठी मैं मकार
Huh?
which is why they never did promotions together.
And Tu Jhoti Main Makar was not like the kind of movie that got a lot of traction also. I think COVID के time पे release हुई थी या
नहीं.
फिर
नहीं,
COVID
a
के
little
बाद?
later. A little
COVID के
later.
बाद.
Little
But it
later.
was still, people were not really going into theaters.
It was like a fine movie.
Yeah,
it was like a
because
good time pass
okay
movie.
movie.
Yeah, because they Alia Bhatt didn't let him do promotions only na with
There's
her.
rumors that Alia and Ranbir also got married out of wedlock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They did,
So
like, yeah, the
maybe
rumors.
that's why he couldn't commit to. Of course, Ranbir
I
is
don't
the
think that
kind
would
of
stop
person
him.
that will
Never commit,
Never
yeah.
commit.
I don't think I would picture anyone in Ranbir's role in Animal. I think he fits the role. For some reason, I can't picture anybody else.
He wasn't even method acting.
Yeah.
I think it
Oh.
was him.
And his daddy issues really showed out in that movie. And I think it was a great casting by Sandeep Reddy Vanga also to pick him.
I don't like that guy.
I fucking hate
fucking
him.
hate the fact
I
that-
hate the guts out of him, but then
I hate him.
Exactly.
his choice was right, which is what I'm
yeah,
saying.
that's
It's like
true.
it speaks volumes about your character because it's not like you didn't know what the movie was about before you signed up.
Yeah.
Exactly.
You
Yeah.
very well knew what you were walking into, and
Exactly.
you still did justice to that role.
That's
Because it's crazy how many people look up to that role,
yeah.
and how many people look up to the power dynamic. The
I remember when the week that it had come out, to hear conversations at the smoking area in my college.
God.
Just to hear the conversations from the people that frequented that place was disgusting. These,
I was
these boys,
enraged.
not men, these boys, like what, from ages 17 to 21, such a formative
Yeah.
age. And they were
Yeah.
all for this movie. They were
Yeah.
like, this is a good representation of men.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And another reason why I think you say that it's a good casting is because, yes, I believe that the director he pulled a very smart move by selecting Ranbir Kapoor because he knows that a lot of people are going to follow Ranbir Kapoor.
That also, and he knows
I don't
Ranbir.
think-
No, I said that because he knows Ranbir has insane daddy issues.
Yeah, I don't think Ranbir is influential at all.
Ranbir is not that
You can
influential.
look at Ranbir Kapoor and be like, yes.
No.
That has happened very recently after Sanju, and that is
I
also
don't
not
think.
that much.
I don't think.
Actually, Animal had a lot to do with that also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Animal itself
Not Ranbir.
made him.
Ranbir
Fair.
as himself is not influential at all.
Ranbir was a chocolate boy, bro. He was for the
Yeah.
girls. Bachna Hasino, you remember?
Bachna Hasino and a lot of other movies.
Bombay
Like
Velvet.
Upset and stuff.
We don't talk
We
about
don't speak about that.
Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani.
Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani. The
Goated
classics.
movie.
Exactly.
Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani, English Winglish, and Band
Wake
Baja
Up
Barat.
Sid.
No,
Wake Up
these
Sid.
3 movies
Okay.
I can watch anytime.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Wake Up Sid for me, yeah.
Wake Up Sid also.
I love that movie.
Wake Up Sid has my college in it. Our college in it.
Does it?
Yeah.
I don't like that movie.
It's a very good representation of what Bombay life
Yeah.
is like. That's why a lot of people like
That's
it.
why a lot of people like Bombay. Listen, it has doubled the population of Bombay, and half of y'all need to leave. Okay.
मतलब ठीक ही है भाई बॉम्बे ही है
It's fine.
I mean I get the appeal of course I live here I've grown up here so I don't feel that Bombay but it's just
So I also, talking about Ranbir and Alia, I also wanted to talk about Ranveer and Deepika.
of course
How can we
Like
not?
a new age tea that our generation lives off of.
Yeah.
I have been living off of for 2 years now?
Yeah, 2 years.
It's been 2 years since that episode aired,
Yeah.
right?
yeah
Yeah. What do you have to say about
Fully in an open marriage. Deepika did Gehraiya
that
So that-
Dubey, yeah.
Yeah.
she could
do big Queen got it right
there are so many people on Instagram who keep saying that they work in production and they have seen how Ranveer is with girls and all of that. He is he was also spotted at a nude beach where someone took a picture of him and then he was like, no, you can't take it, you can't do this. My wife, I'm
His
married
wife's not
and
seen
my-
it.
my wife would get mad if
She
like
would
this
get mad.
gets out
Yeah,
and
fair.
all of that.
Fair,
But
fair,
you know, after that whole episode on Coffee with Karan, I I don't know. I don't have a side to pick for the two of them. I feel like both of them were stupid. Both of them made their decisions. Both of them lived through it, and they're both facing the consequences for it.
Yeah.
Because of course they met on the sets of Ram Leela.
Ramlila,
Yeah, and that's where they started
It
dating.
was a
And then
very
it was
steamy movie.
It was
in
a
itself.
very steamy movie, and that was
You are
what-
bound to have chemistry after that.
Yeah.
To say whatever about the couple, their chemistry in that movie was insanity.
That was
I was not allowed to see it when it came out.
so good. I went with my parents.
What? How liberal.
But yeah, that came out in 2012, right?
Yeah,
2012, and that's when they started dating. And I think he proposed also like a few years after that.
He proposed instantly,
He proposed- I
2.5
think
years. 2015, 2014.
Yeah, 2015 is when he proposed. And after the breakup of, after Deepika's breakup with Ranbir Kapoor, she was like, I don't want to be in a committed relationship. I don't want a relationship because of the trauma that she has faced with Ranbir Kapoor.
Yeah.
Because that
Fair.
was, of
And
course,
there's a lot of trauma.
Fair.
very
There's a lot
traumatic.
of trauma.
He cheated
She
on
was
her.
going through a fuck ton of
She
shit.
was madly in love with him, and that's when he cheated with her. Cheated on her with Katrina.
I wonder why Deepika and Katrina never spoke.
They did. I think they did. I think
did,
Deepika and Katrina are very cordial. Katrina and Alia are a little bit
Cordial is one thing. Because if I was Deepika, I would have gone to Katrina and be like, bro,
But
watch
वो
out.
सब न्यूज़ नहीं आएगा ना बाहर.
Fair enough.
वो सब तुझे कौन
But
बताएगा?
Katrina was also invited to Deepika's wedding.
Yeah, अभी तो करना ही होगा ना. Like
You
to
have to
some
show
extent,
face.
you have to be like, oh, we don't care about the drama anymore. But yeah. Wait, what was I saying? Hold on, pause.
He proposed.
The proposal.
Yeah. So after the whole breakup with him, she was like, yeah, these are my conditions. If you're okay with that, sure. But you know, a part of me, especially after watching the episode, I was like, did she want to make Ranveer feel what she felt? With,
What do you mean?
With Ranbir Kapoor, she was the lover girl. And then he he very much cheated on her. And then she faced all of that.
Yeah.
With Ranveer Singh, he was the lover boy.
He's the golden retriever and she's the black cat.
Exactly. That's the persona that they have on the internet. And from the start, she was like, okay, I don't want anything serious, blah, blah, blah. But Ranveer, being the sweet lover boy that he is, he was like, no, in my mind, I'm committed to you.
Ranveer
and that's what
is
she
very
also said.
chalant.
Yeah.
Very chalant.
And that sells.
That does, bro. And especially with a personality like his. And like, you know, after the movie also, people were pairing them
Left, right,
and
center.
bro. So, and then with that whole statement that Deepika made about, in my mind, I was committed to him, even though I was fucking around with whatever men that I was.
Yeah.
That's such a fucked thing to say because you haven't
Hurt people hurt people.
You're in an open
No, but-
relationship until he proposed.
Until he
See,
proposed.
My views are the thing that if you are doing all of that, don't be stupid enough to say it on camera or on like a national television
But that's
show.
what No Coffee with Karan gets out all of these things. He plays it very safe, bro. Don't you see the way he probes them?
No.
to
I'm
ask-
not saying that.
answer
I'm
these?
saying don't say them on camera. It's definitely scripted, bro. They know what they're going to talk about. They know what they're going to say.
ठीक है, they're doing
Something
you have a
small,
point. You have a
intricate
point.
details, okay, slip up might happen, but such a big detail that has been in the discussion for years. It's not a slip up. They know
Yeah.
what they're talking about. They know exactly what they're saying. Again, PR trained. They know what they're saying.
Yeah, and that's what a lot of people were also, especially on Reddit, people were talking about how their PR teams did not, you know, maybe this was like bad PR is also PR.
Yeah.
Like maybe that's also what they were trying to sell.
Yeah.
But for such a drastic reaction for people to get out of people, it's a very risky game that
Yeah.
Yeah,
you
this
pulled off.
what as an audience, we're just seeing they're saying something and then we're reacting. But we also have to take in consideration that when they say something, regardless of it being PR or not, couple के अंदर उस discussion को लेकर और depth में क्या बात हुई हमको नहीं पता.
Or you know what I'm thinking? Maybe this was done to paint a better picture of Ranveer Singh because his movies had not been doing that well. And then soon after that, Rocky or Rani, or before that, Rocky and Rani had just happened. So then it was just like to paint that, oh, but ये तो अच्छा ही बंदा है. इसके साथ गलत हुआ, पर ये तो अच्छा बंदा था.
maybe.
But I don't think Ranveer was
रणवीर ने कुछ गलत नहीं किया. Yeah,
he was never painted as a bad person.
और उसकी फ्लॉप भी नहीं जा रही थी ज्यादा, मुझे नहीं
बहुत
लगता.
गए थे.
कौन सी?
जयेश भाई
Circus.
जोरदार, सर्कस, 83.
True.
83 was a good movie. I've heard. I've never
Bad
watched it.
timing.
Never watched. Bad timing.
Great movie.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Great
true.
movie,
That
bad
is
timing.
true.
We've not heard from you yet.
I have one last
Please
good
tell me.
tea
Tell
to
me.
end. We're coming back to Bhai.
Oh.
The number of people that Bhai has had beef with in this industry,
Does not matter.
हम
यार.
सबकी उंगलियां कम पड़ जाए. Okay, this is this beef about.
आपको तो पता ही
आपको तो
होगा.
पता ही होगा.
वकार.
मेरे साथ बहुत बुरा हुआ है.
आपको इल्म है वकार.
Anyways, this story is about Salman, Aishwarya, and Vivek Oberoi. Okay, Vivek Oberoi and Aishwarya Rai, Salman and Aishwarya Rai were dating, as we all know. And then they broke up after the also allegedly slap situation happened. And then Aishwarya Rai and Vivek Oberoi were dating, and Salman Khan, of course, being the whatever, being the man,
Being human.
being human as he is. Right? He is like infuriated कि कैसा मेरा बंदी को डेट कर रहा है, ये वो मेरी एक्स है, वो आई स्टिल लव हर, ये वो चल रहा है, और that's happening. And then
Pause. Aishwarya Rai was dating Vivek Oberoi?
Yeah.
yeah,
Why?
that's sad. No, 1 minute. He was hot. Hot people, hot people.
But he looked hot. He low-key.
I'm sorry, I can only think of him in terms of Krish 3.
I can only picture his bald spot. He has a bald spot now.
That's
Now.
no.
Akshay Khanna.
That's the Durandar guy. That's the Durandar guy.
he smiles like that.
That is one guy जो टोपी डाल के करता है.
Yellow bowl. Bro, he is too good. He's too good. He is better than Akshay Khanna.
He's so good.
Akshay Khanna is the first copy.
But like, that makes no sense to me. Aishwarya Rai has chosen so badly, so consistently.
But 1 minute. Vivek Oberoi, a very hot and attractive man.
Yeah, at that time he
Very
looked
hot.
very,
Okay,
very
fine.
Very hot. Okay.
Fine. Fine.
And then this is happening, and then Vivek Oberoi in some interview or some conference, he says Salman Khan is threatening Vivek Oberoi. He's saying मैं तेरे को किसी के साथ, मैं सबको मना कर दूंगा, तेरे साथ कोई काम नहीं करेगा, तुझे मूवी नहीं मिलेगा.
But उसके साथ कोई काम कर रहा था.
वो सब उसके बाद हुआ ना. साथिया and all, he had done pretty well.
Yeah. He was on a come up.
Yeah, he was.
These people are ruthless.
Ruthless.
He was. And he also said that Salman Khan, one night, he drunk called Vivek Oberoi 41 times on the same night.
He cannot handle his alcohol. Can I just
That's
say?
what I said, right? I know he cannot. 41
Is
times.
it because he's a tiny guy?
No, it's because he was dating.
But like the fact that he can't handle his alcohol.
Yeah, could be.
Like could be his metabolism or something.
Could be.
I don't know. But this is very embarrassing for
Yeah.
Salman Khan.
Yeah.
Sorry, bhai.
And
It's
then
very embarrassing.
And
for
then
bhai.
this came out, and then Salman is like, नहीं ऐसा तो मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, ये वो. And then the industry से निकाल दूंगा entire scene happened, right?
हाँ.
उसको movies नहीं मिल रही. He's a great actor, but उसको movies नहीं मिल रही है. And then Vivek Oberoi goes to another conference or another some interview. And he's like, no, I'm so sorry that I did this, should have handled it man to man, should have spoken one-on-one, shouldn't have come on in front of media and said all of this. And then he's like, his movie had come out then. What is that Lokhandwala movie?
Shootout.
Shootout at Lokhandwala. And he's like, that was a great movie. And he was a great actor in that movie.
Yeah.
No movie. 1 साल तक बंदा घर पे बैठा है, उसको मूवी नहीं मिल रही है.
Fuck.
Okay. And then all of this is happening. And so this beef has still not ended, right? They're still beefing. Salman and Vivek
Today?
Oberoi.
2026?
Yeah, till today, bro.
Yeah.
At so many award functions. Vivek was getting an award for Krish 3, right? Salman was
What?
presenting.
Wait, hold on. Really?
Yeah.
Bad year for movies. Still. Not in 2026. When Krish came out.
When Krish came out, जब award functions होते थे, तब he was getting an award
You've
for
not
Krish
seen
3.
Krish 3, but this is diabolical information.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You
Yes.
haven't?
I probably did. I don't
never.
remember.
I don't think you have.
I've watched some Krish.
Of course you have.
Continue.
Anyways, yeah.
Salman is presenting the award. Vivek Oberoi has gone on stage. उसने देखा भी नहीं है, कंग्रेचुलेट भी नहीं किया है. विवेक ओबरॉय ने सलमान खान को इग्नोर मार दिया है
और
पूरी
भाग
तरीके
गया.
से. पिक्चर लेने के टाइम पे सलमान इज नॉट इन द पिक्चर एट ऑल. He's like, I'm good. Vivek Oberoi has apologized to him on so many accounts. He's award
Viवेक
functions.
ओबरॉय का बनता ही नहीं apology.
Exactly.
पर उसको
But उसको
बेचारा,
industry
he's
से
like-
निकाल दिया. वो क्या करेगा? वो helpless है.
उसको जरूरत है.
Bastards of
Yeah.
Bollywood में वो एक नहीं था.
Yes.
वैसे सीन हुआ है इसके साथ.
That was the
बेचारा.
representation of Vivek Oberoi.
Oh my god, मुझे नहीं पता था ये. बेचारा. Oh my.
Bro, Bastards of Bollywood.
Phenomenal.
After all of this
Yeah.
tea, no? Bang
Banging
on.
show.
Exactly.
Bring season 2 back, bro.
Season 2.
Bring season 2.
आएगा bro. And no better person to make it.
No.
No better person.
No
to
better
make
person to make it. He's
so-
bored with this shit going around himself.
He's so safe.
Insane.
And he's so safe that he
He's
can
so safe.
Like the
pull this
worst thing
off.
that happened to him was like a drug scandal.
Yeah.
And it's already over.
It's already over.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That's crazy.
So the Vivek Oberoi thing only, Salman has done this to multiple people.
I was coming to that.
Yeah.
अरिजीत सिंह के साथ भी हुआ
Arjit Singh
है.
के साथ
What?
Salman
Arjit
ने
Singh
किया.
Exactly.
Was it Salman Khan that fucked up his mic that night?
No. Could be.
Could be.
So what happened is,
There was an
again,
award.
award function.
Yeah.
Salman was presenting. Arjit Singh got an award.
Okay.
Right? This man is. He
Why
was,
are they still letting Salman present?
Exactly.
Yeah. उसका
Stop
बहुत
it.
ऑरा है apparently award functions
Apparently
में.
क्या उसका ऑरा है?
हाँ,
वो होस्ट भी करता है.
अवार्ड फंक्शंस में नहीं, वो अभी होस्ट नहीं करता.
पहले.
अवार्ड फंक्शंस में जब सलमान आता है ना, तो कुछ भी हो रहा होता है, मतलब किसी का परफॉर्मेंस भी चालू है, सब 10 मिनट रोकते हैं सब कुछ.
क्या मजाक कर रहे
People stand up.
हैं?
Yes, Kriti
Yeah.
Sanon,
Yuck,
Deepika
man.
Padukone, everybody stands up.
Maybe it matters,
Until
yaar.
he-
Maybe it does matter.
Until he comes and sits on his chair, everything is stopped. No one says anything. None of the hosts. There was this clip of Abhishek and Shahid Kapoor hosting or something like that, and Salman walks in, and at that time, this one, I think Shahid Kapoor ऐसा Abhishek को बोलते हैं रुक, and then they stop
Yeah.
for him to go and
For
sit.
fucking Salman Khan, a fucking baby.
Oh my god, is
और वो
Salman
स्टेज से वो इतना छोटू दिख रहा है उनको.
5 foot?
5 foot.
यार
yeah.
मुझे लगता है कि मेरे
Anyways.
साथ कुछ बुरा हो जाएगा. ये सब काट दो भाई.
No, but like, wait, is Salman Khan the Beyonce of Bollywood?
Yeah, fully.
Yeah, fully, bro.
It was a trio, no? Salman, Sanjay, and Sanjay Dutt, and अरे यार Jackie Dada.
Oh, अंडा कड़ी पत्ता.
Anda kadi patta.
It was a trio.
Interesting.
Whoa.
I'll quickly finish my Arijit bit.
Please
Right?
tell me.
He's presenting. Arijit's getting an award, and he's dressed in like very basic clothes, like t-shirt, jeans, and
Yeah.
chappal. Salman, fucking idiot of a man. He's like, आप सो गए थे क्या?
Oh my god.
As a joke. ठीक है.
हाँ.
ठीक है. बोल दिया. जोक है, मजाक है, चलते रहता है. अरिजीत सिंह replies to that saying, आपने सुला दिया. मजाक चल रहा है. मजाक चल रहा है. And अगर
Funny
उसने
था.
हाँ, exactly.
पर मुझे अरिजीत के लिए डर लग रहा है.
मुझे भी लगा था जब मैं स्टोरी पढ़ रही थी. ठीक है, तो रिफ्ट हो गया. डन डील. इसके बाद सलमान को आया गुस्सा. अगेन बेबी है, बच्चा है वो. He can't take jokes on himself. He has removed Arijit Singh's songs from Kick. He's removed his songs from Bajrangi Bhaijaan allegedly. Nobody knows if that's true.
No. I'll tell you what. Kick के time पे, do you guys remember Salman Khan singing Hangover? Yeah. So he called Arijit and he fully like humiliated him on the recording. He was like, नहीं ऐसे नहीं चाहिए, वैसे नहीं करना, ये नहीं करना, वो नहीं करना, ऐसे. And he was like pestering him, humiliated him fully and outed him at the studio. And then he was like, अब मैं गाना गा के दिखाऊंगा.
And can I say banger?
Yeah.
Can I say banger?
Low-key banger.
Mikey, bro. Can you imagine your childhood without hangover? Sorry, copyright.
Anyways, he's done all of this bullshit. Okay. And this is very much on the internet.
Okay.
People have records of this shit.
Yeah.
This man has gone on Big Boss 19. This Big Boss 19 ka season.
Oh, हाँ.
He has said in front of the entire country, मैंने किसका करियर बिगाड़ा? मुझे बताओ, मैंने किसका करियर
ये
बिगाड़ा
इसने
है?
बोला है?
ये उसने
हाँ.
बोला है. अगर मैंने बिगाड़ा है तो अपना करियर बिगाड़ा है.
Oh.
He has said that on Big Boss 19.
Sallu? What the fuck?
Hello, bye.
अभिषेक बच्चन का क्या घटिया करियर बिगाड़ा है इस आदमी ने.
I know
I
what you're
think
going to
Because,
say.
because
might
he
be-
married Aishwarya. That's why.
This might be controversial, but I
Bunty
think
and Bubbly was
this might be controversial for a lot of people that know cricket, but I think Salman is the Dhoni of
Yes.
Thala for a reason.
I feel whatever Salman did in Bollywood, Dhoni did in the same thing in cricket, because there's a lot of many cricketers, so much better cricketers. Because little off topic, I was having this discussion with somebody that you're talking about cricket, right? And we were just saying, Tendulkar, ye wo, bade naam le rahe the, that have done a lot of stuff in cricket for India.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then Dhoni's name comes up and he's like, क्या किया है उसने?
Same.
एक वर्ल्ड कप जिताया, ठीक है, और उसने just because he hit the last shot doesn't mean he made the country win.
Okay.
He only did one ball.
No. As in, winning shot was his, which is why they remember it as, and he was the captain.
And he was the captain.
So it makes sense to tie it down to him because he was the captain, he led the fucking team. But at the end of it all, you can't discredit
The whole team.
the entire team, because they also played really well.
Okay. The same match, Yuvraj Singh had gotten out of cancer and
Exactly.
he had won the man of that match.
Exactly. This man.
So how many runs did Yuvraj make? Do you remember?
I
Was
think
it more
in-
than Dhoni?
Of course. वो धोनी लास्ट में आया था.
Exactly.
And Dhoni had fully sabotaged 2019 World Cup where Virat was captaining so that Dhoni is remembered as the
captain.
winning captain. Because Dhoni...
He let the country lose.
Yeah. This is why I hate Dhoni.
This is why I stopped respecting him. I would look up to him. But
I have never hated any player as much as I've hated Dhoni.
yep.
Dhoni is Thala?
Dhoni is Thala
Dhoni
for
is
a
Thala.
reason. Yeah.
He is not Thala for any reason. I fucking
not Thala for
hate
any
his guts.
reason, true.
And his fans are much worse.
Yeah, so much
And
worse.
I do not give two shits about you guys.
Really.
So,
Anyways, take it forward.
ये सब मतलब सबको पता है धोनी कितना अच्छा विकेट कीपर है.
Okay.
Out of many things, he is a good wicket keeper.
Oh, he's really good at it.
And he has left so many balls at the World Cup
Then how is he good?
2019.
Because
जानबूझ के.
Sabotage.
क्योंकि विराट कोहली was the captain. And even the match where he could not take one run, वो क्यों भागा, वो दूसरे run के लिए run out हुआ and we lost the match over there. It was a heartbreaking moment. We did not make it to the finals.
There's one thing about movies, okay? Movies ठीक है, वो set होता है, वो film होती है, आ जाती है, flop हुई, hit
हो
हुई,
गया.
जो भी है खत्म हो गया. Sports are such a big part of Indian culture. India does not have a sport that's as big as cricket.
True.
It's a religion in itself.
It's a religion in itself. It's so important for culture to do that. I think he's worse than Salman. I did not
I'll
know
tell
he
you
did
one
that.
more
I
thing.
didn't know this either.
About Yuvraj Singh. Yuvraj Singh was he didn't they didn't detect his cancer, but he was extremely sick at the time when he played the match.
Yeah.
That man, I'm not sure if that was after his cancer, before he detected the cancer, but remember when he hit six
Sixes, that was before they
right? He was
detected.
sick. That
Yeah.
man was sick.
He was coughing
He was
blood.
taking breaks.
Yeah.
He was coughing blood.
Yeah.
That man hit 6 sixes.
He had something to prove
and
that
Dhoni
night.
destroyed a man like that's career.
He destroyed his career left, right, and center. Which is
Harbhajan Singh,
why-
insane bowler.
phenomenal
Yeah,
player.
I remember Harbhajan.
Phenomenal player.
Wow.
They're doing anchoring now. I'm not saying that's bad, but they have a lot more in them they couldn't give to the country.
No, bro. Yuvraj Singh, insane aura.
Insane aura.
The ones that know, they know.
They know.
युवराज सिंह जैसा प्लेयर इंडिया ने नहीं देखा है
my
और
God.
नहीं देख पाएगा.
Guys, what if we have another part where we do like cricket?
Sport.
Or like
Sports.
Yes, let's
let's
sports
do it.
gossip.
There's definitely like I
There's
don't know.
so
I will
much
have
more.
to look it up
Yeah,
and we'll have to
same.
talk to some boys. I don't mind.
I'll tell you guys the Sachin
Srishti is our
Tendulkar.
boy.
I'll tell you guys the Sachin Tendulkar and Vinod Kamli wala gossip also when we do that episode.
You should tell us and then you should let them know also.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Oh my
So
God,
before you guys go, I think today we should comment one of those clappy things like
Just
the
clappy on the camera.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe the camera.
I like the clappy thing better.
Yeah,
Clappy
even
thing.
I like the
We've done the camera.
The clap?
platform, yeah.
The clap.
Put a bunch of claps down in the oh my god, down in the comments before you guys go. If you guys watched up until this point, first of all, look here. I love you so much, and you deserve
Appreciate you
everything
so much.
in the world.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you, and I love you from the bottom of my heart. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, send it to all of your friends who you like to gossip with, or
Yeah.
any Bollywood buffs that you know.
Yeah.
They would love this
Yeah.
video, and hype this video up.
And if you're watching us on Instagram, make sure you follow us. Make sure you share all our reels. Make sure you reshare our reels. Comment nice things. Tag your favorite celebrities also. If they
Whoever
reply,
we've spoken about.
yeah. If they reply,
They already watch. I know.
yeah. But if they reply, then I'll. What we can do?
We'll spill Morty.
We'll spill more tea.
Yeah, hey.
We will try to invite them. If they agree to come on, why not?
Why not?
Why not?
And if you listen to us on Spotify, don't forget to give us a good rating. It's just 5 stars. So do it right now. Until
Until
next time,
next time,
stay Besharam. Bye.